Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Harvest for project budgeting and invoicing step by step clearly. To activate Harvest for project budgeting and invoicing, start by visiting the official Harvest website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations. Look for the Harvest API section and select it. You will see an option to generate a new API token. Click on the button to create the API token. Copy the generated API token for later use. Now, go to your project management tool that you want to integrate with Harvest. In the settings of that tool, locate the Integrations or API section. Paste the Harvest API token into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to link your Harvest account. Next, navigate back to the Harvest dashboard. Click on Projects in the top menu. Select New Project to set up a new project for budgeting. Fill in the project details such as name, client, and budget parameters. Once the project is set up, determine if you want to enable invoicing for this project. Set your billing rates and mark the billing method for the project. Save the project settings once you have entered all the necessary information. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices section in the Harvest menu. Click on New Invoice and select the project you just created. Fill in the invoice details, including line items, quantities, and rates. Review the invoice for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on Save Draft or Send to finalize the invoice. You have now successfully activated Harvest for project budgeting and invoicing. Remember to keep track of your projects and invoices regularly for better financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.